Alright, I'm full. I ate about half my salad and 1.5 pieces of my chicken. Chicken was a little bit drier than I thought it was going to end up being. I don't know why, because I've cooked it like that before. Maybe just cook it 50 minutes, or maybe check on it and see if it reaches the internal temperature of 160. I usually go for 165 just to make sure, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty good though. I like the flavoring and it's really crispy. You can't, I don't. It's really crispy. Semi-juicy. Like I said, I probably just cooked it a little bit too long, but definitely still really good, and I'll definitely still do it again. I will probably be back later tonight when I make the cobbler or the deviled eggs. Either, I don't know which one yet, but I will catch you guys later.